In this video, I'm going to show you how to see who saved your number on Getcontact. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so if you haven't done so already, go ahead and download and install Getcontact on your Android or iOS and then register your number. So sign up using your phone number and verify via SMS. Then we need to access My Tags section. Once logged in, navigate to My Tags section to view the label tags others have associated with your number. So now these tags might include names like John Work, Plumber, etc. or other descriptors that are generated based on how others users have saved your contact information. However, the visibility of these tags depend on the data shared by other users and their privacy settings though. Now we've got some limitations to consider. So anonymity of tag creators. Getcontact does not disclose who assigns specific tags to your number. Incomplete tag listings, so not all tags may be visible, especially if the individuals who save your number haven't consented to share their contact list with Getcontact. Inability to modify others' tags, so you cannot change or remove how others have saved your number. If you find a tag inappropriate, you can report it, but there's no guarantee it will be removed. Alright, so if we go ahead and upgrade to Getcontact Premium, offers additional insights. So we can view tag viewers, see who has viewed your tags, search statistics, access data on when and how often your number has been searched, increase search limits, perform more searches per month.